So Monday when we went to Walmart, I meant to get Brandy some vitamins. Went over to the vitamins area and I was gonna pick out some vitamins, and Michael told me no, don't get them because we already have some. But when he got here, he realized the vitamins were expired. The point of me going to get the vitamins is because Brandy. Yes, ma'am. Because y'all know Brandy's been home all her life.
I have a lot of money.
So I know with her transitioning from home to school life, and you got all these kids with all these different germs, they're little kids, so they ain't washing their hands after they sneeze, they touching their nose. So I was like, let's get her some vitamins. So we didn't get them because we thought we had some here. We do have some that expired. So last night, well yesterday, Brandy came home and her nose was running. Okay, so this morning when she got up, she was tired because she kept waking up last night. So I gave her some medicine that I have in there. But I don't know if that medicine is doing anything, so I'm gonna give her some more like cold medicine, and I'm also getting them some vitamins, some children vitamins to take. So we're about to head out and go to Walgreens. I came home first because I wanted to get Brandy first. So Donte, you ready?
Yeah, it's very place some paper parts.
So what?
You want some paper parts too?
From Walgreens?
Well, we get one.
Oh, let's stay here.
So I see you guys supposed to get Walgreens. Here's Brandy's third day outfit. Brandy, turn around so they can see your outfit. She got a little black long shorts. Come on. And her shoes I got from Walmart last night. I had to make a Walmart run last night just to get them some shoes.
Baby, in the back.
Mama, it's all right, Mama. He'll sit in front this time, okay? Come on, get in the car.
What, Yuki?
Brandy, oh my Lord. Go ahead, while you in the car, crank up the car. And then here's Boogie outfit. Blue shirt with his blue and gray shorts. I know, Mama. Yes, he said do it your own son, Brandy. She's trying to teach you independence, Mama.
No, I'm not to do it.
Okay, can I help?
I'm not. My teacher said no berries to help.
What she said that, Brandy? I don't believe you. You sure you got it?
They know where the beat out.
Yes, ma'am, I sure can. What's this? Oh, that's your washcloth from earlier. Okay, Brandon, what else you have besides that? You had macaroni, so burger and macaroni? Okay, that sounds delicious, Mama.
And milk. Chocolate.
And chocolate milk. All right, that do sound really, really good, Mama.
And dip.
And who?
And dip.
And grits?
And bacon.
Oh, so you had grits and bacon this morning for breakfast. Okay, all this sounded real good, Mama. Asking Brandy what she had for lunch and breakfast. Donte, what you had?
Got some on my face.
Donte, what did you have? I know you told me, but tell the people what you had.
I had a
burger. Donte, you said I had burger and fries. That's how you said it was burger.
What else you had?
Do you have fruit, man?
I had grapes.
Grapes, okay. Brandy, you had a good day? Brandy said she had a good day, y'all. We just working on getting Brandy to talk in class. Because she real shy in class, but I figure she'll warm up. Y'all know how it is. And this is new to her, so. What'd you say, Brandy? And so you took it off? Good job, Brandy. Good job. Her jacket off. Because not she'll leave it on. She has that nervous thing that you has where you leave your jacket on all day. At CVS. No. Then I'm gonna go by Walgreens. If it's too hot, Walgreens, and I'll turn back around and go to CVS. You did some who?
Did white bit and put my tummy up in the air.
Okay.
And they understand we wasn't done.
Okay, got you. Oh Lord, the car about to hit the other car.
And what he had to do?
When they went to school too, that's good. So I'm gonna give y'all a nutshell of Donte's little scenario that happened at school. So basically, Donte, hold your head up, Donte. Hold your head up, man. Look in the camera so you can see your handsome face.
Hey.
There you go. They see you, Mama. Look in the camera, Donte.
I don't got the camera. It's just that the sun is in the way.
Okay, there we go. So basically, in a nutshell, hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully it's not too loud. So basically, in a nutshell, the 5th graders was playing with the 6th graders. A little boy hit a little boy, and Donte got into it. The boy hit Donte with a ball. Okay, hold on, Brandy. The boy hit Donte with a ball. So Donte, in turn, instead of, you know, just like, hey, I'm gonna take the high road and walk away, he picks up the ball and hit the little boy back. Now. Okay, Brandy, your feet looks clean, mama. So I didn't really want to fuss at Donte, but I had to tell him, Donte, violence is not the answer. Even though I have told my child, and some parents may disagree, some may agree. I have told my child. Huh? Okay, Brandy, hold on one second. So yeah, so some of you may agree, some of you may disagree, but I have told my child, I've told both of my kids, if somebody put their hands on you, or if somebody hit you, you hit them back. Now, if somebody hits you and a teacher is present, then you tell the teacher. But if they hit you, you hit them back. You got to stand up for yourself. I've told both of my kids that. So today, as far as I know, was the first day that Donte used what I said.
Why are you crying?
So yeah, y'all, my child. So I was like, okay. So him and the little boy had to, of course, sit down so teacher could talk to them and all that good stuff. Brandy, you want me to go back to the house? We'll pull it together. And I'm gonna let you talk, but you better pull it all the way together. All right, now tell us about what happened. So, that was it in a nutshell, you guys. Donte didn't get in trouble. They just talked to them. I guess this is considered his warning. Now tell me what you got to tell me, pretty girl. What you got to tell me, pretty girl?
Nothing.
You had a good day at school?
I'm thirsty.
All right. Donte, stop it.
I'm thirsty.
You made some poop mix. And you made some friends. Why do you have tears coming out your eyes, Brandy?
Because.
Okay, yeah, we'll see how much we get on Walgreens. Why do you have tears coming? We're in Walgreens, you guys. I'm trying to get Brandy to get this stuff like this. That's only $1. Look, mama. Look, this $1.50. Look, because she got some money her daddy gave her. This $1.50. No? What? No, that dog is $7, mama. Gotta find some a little cheaper. What's that? How much is that? Let me see. Mama, I can't see. 99 cents. Yeah, you want one of those? You got enough for that. Where you getting for that song, Mama? I haven't made my way to the vitamins yet. Yeah, I'm letting them look over here first, and then I'll make my way to the vitamins.
Maybe bath bomb.
No bath bomb, Mama. I just told you all the cheap stuff, Mama. You still not going for the cheap stuff. This girl, she don't listen to save her life. Look, I told her to get these right here. These are only 90 cents. Okay, so I'm going to end up getting these, if they focus, these multivitamins for the children. That's $5.29. Can you see that? $5.29. Buy one, get one, 50% off. Because they're the cheapest. All the other ones, they're a little bit more expensive. So I'm going to get those. Come here, let's find Brandy some cold medicine. Come on. Yes. Brandy, stop. Y'all. Yeah, I'm looking at all of this clearance over here. Some of them for $5. Brandy, get back over here. Brandy ended up getting this little golf set, y'all, for $3. I want me some flip-flops. Huh? I didn't put it because you getting a golf set, Mama. If you get a golf set, you only get one thing. One thing, Brandy. Don't play with me. I don't know what your shoes is. Probably $7.50. Okay. Put it up. Put it up. Brandy. Here. We about to go here. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all really quick what I got. I just got y'all kind of propped up here. Okay. Donte got him a Nerf gun. That was that was on clearance. Which was it? $2. This was $2. Brandy, hold out your golf set. That was $2.99, so it was $3. Y'all, I'm glistening because it's hot. I got some paper plates. Paper plates was like $2. Get my dog on water. I got 2 waters. They were $4, so I'm guessing they were $1 each. I didn't even check. Let's see. Yeah, $1 each. I got 2 waters. I'm gonna let them try the watermelon because I swear everybody out like they so thirsty now that I got water. I got a pineapple. This is water infused with pineapple essentials. So I got pineapple. And I got watermelon.
I can have this on my
Y'all, the next person who talk is going to bed at 7 o'clock.
No, I'm not.
What it hush? I got some multivitamin gummies. These were the ones for, there we go. These were the ones for $5.29 and turn around. $5.29, and if you buy one, you get the other one 50% off. I should have got 2, but I just went ahead and got 1. I was like, yeah, right now, just get 1. But if you go to your local Walgreens, definitely check out that deal. You talking? Okay, you're gonna sleep at 7, but then hush it up. And then I got some Walgreens brand of the cough and chest congestion. It says Welltussin, I guess it's kind of like supposed to be like Robitussin, but it's non-drowsy. So I'm gonna give Brandy some of this one. This is the one for 4 and older, so I'm gonna give Brandy some of that. Let them try this doggone water, y'all, because my kid's about to get hurt. Okay. Probably ain't gonna taste good because it's hot. Don't drink a lot. Just want to try it too. What you think of it? It tastes like regular water with a little hint of watermelon. It has an aftertaste. Maybe it tastes better frozen. Here, mama. It tastes like water. It is water, pretty girl. Oh, I'm glistening, y'all. I'm glistening. You what? Wait till I get home. Let me look at that. A lady was selling brownies for $3, and I had $3 cash on me, so I brought a brownie. Y'all probably can't see it. So I brought a brownie. Wait till I get home, man. Okay, Brandy, pass me my water. Okay, so now we're about to head back to the house, you guys. And I'm gonna cook, but I'm gonna cook something super simple. I think I'm gonna do hamburger helper, something like really simple, because I didn't get the stuff to make spaghetti. How it tastes to you? You like it or you don't like it?
I like it. Okay. I like it. Now we have watermelon at Grandma.
Oh, y'all had watermelon at Grandma's house? Y'all keep falling. I think I'm gonna cook hamburger helper, because that's the only thing I took out was hamburger meat. I just see if I got some brown gravy packs. Maybe there's some other stuff I can do. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna just see what I can mix up, because I want to cook something. There we go. See what I can mix up, because I want to cook something. So we'll see when I get to the house. We came in food line, you guys, because I needed some water. I have some gravy packs, because I think I'm gonna do the ground beef and the gravy, ground beef and gravy. And I got some macaroni and cheese and some spaghetti sauce. I made spaghetti one night. And I wanted to get the little mint onions, so I wanted to see if they were over here. Yep, right here. These right here. If they focus. Okay, they don't want to focus. Like literally taking forever. There we go. Okay, I got these for $1.19. You ready, pretty girl? Why did you move it? Oh, okay. Come on, Brandy, let's go. And that was it, y'all, because Michael picked up some stuff earlier, so that was it.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you won't make them just be alone, alone. All those nights, lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
getting my water on for my macaroni. I know you guys probably wonder, like, Britt, why did you just put them in the frying pan and fry them up that way? That's where you have the grease, you can make your gravy and all that good stuff like that. For one, because I like them in the air fryer, it's a little bit more healthier. It's not necessarily a healthy meal, but it's a little bit more healthier putting it in the air fryer. So that's why I'm doing that way. So I'm going to put on my macaroni, my rice, and I'm going to find a veggie to put on. So
was a feeling never enough for you, baby, when you left me chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
some Signing the Kiddos folder.
I need to do it right here.
Donte, if I ask you to get back around here again, where you going? I'm trying to multitask you guys. I'm about to go run Brandy bath. Okay, so Brandy gets a folder every day.
And I have these, y'all.
And so far she has got nothing but green, greens, and greens.
Yeah, I will.
I don't know if it's like all greens you get treats or what. I'm not quite sure how it goes.
You're not teaching or nothing.
You don't get treats. You maybe on Fridays. You gotta go blow your nose, mama. I'm about to give her a medicine. In fact, let me do that now. Let me do that right now.
Dad, let me think it.
Let's see how much. 5 milliliters. Brandy, stop that.
It's not real, babe.
See, I can't get things open.
Here, Dad.
Y'all, I'm watching this good series on Netflix. It's called Working Moms. Have you guys seen that series? It's good, y'all. It's 4 women. No, it's a group of ladies, but all of them have like different things going on. It's a pretty good.
I know that one, you know. I know that one.
It's still running my mind. I don't want you being all on camera and all that, but your nose looking all nasty, okay? Just take our medicine. Donte had homework tonight, so I'm about to look over his homework. Donte! Donte! Get Brandy back friend before I run over his homework.
Self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you won't make them just be alone.
Body wash because I keep running out. So I mean, every time I get out, I always forget to get her some body wash. So yeah, right now I'm just letting her use mine because I keep forgetting hers. So let me continue to cook now, y'all.
Like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
So I got the macaroni and cheese done. Real simple, real quick. Yeah, so I just add some milk, extra cheese to it, and some pepper. I should try it and see if it needs salt, but I doubt it needs salt. I think we should be good on salt because y'all know the little packet of cheese that comes with it. That's normally pretty salty. So I normally just add pepper to it. And y'all know I had put some salt in my water when I was boiling my noodles. So my rice is almost done. My corn is definitely done. So right now I'm just browning my gravy and I'm waiting on it to thicken up some. I think I'm actually going to add a little bit more water to it. Yeah, I'm just trying to multitask and trying to get some kind of schedule going. Just, you know, trying to get myself together, trying to get lives together, y'all know what I mean? So, I'm gonna bring this to a boil. And then once it starts boiling everything, I'm gonna just add my burgers into it. And y'all, that makes it easier for me by putting them in the air fryer because I didn't have to stand around and watch them. Then it was in the air fryer. They just, you know, they just cook or whatever. They did their thing and that was it. They gave me time to do other stuff. So I'm adding some of my onions in here. My minced onions in there. I guess I'll add just a little bit of garlic salt. Just a little bit. Of course, pepper. Of course, pepper. And a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna let it come to a boil and then I'm gonna add the meat to it. And then guess what, y'all? The food's gonna be done. Oh shoot, God dropped the noodle in here. Oh Lord, the noodle got stuck to the bottom of my spoon, y'all. Look at the kid, the family, they're gonna take it with love, y'all. They're gonna take it with love. So yeah, y'all. Some nights gets a little overwhelming, but it's alright, y'all. It's alright. It's only for the best for me, so it's okay. Donte! I keep sneezing, y'all. Come here, man. Okay, y'all. Here's the food. Let's turn this light down. Here's the food. I wish I would have put a little bit more either milk in this macaroni or a little bit more cheese in it. What? I'm gonna make it happen. Brandy eating her food. Wait a minute. Let's do this way. Brandy and her food and Donte eating his. So yeah, we just got finished going over Donte homework. So I'm about to eat, watch a little bit of TV, and go to bed. Close your legs, and I'll be going to bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and end out the vlog here, you guys. And say don't forget to thumbs up as well as subscribe to our.
Make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit the bell.
What Brandy said. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, y'all.
Say bye, man.
Bye.